Hey home cooks, today I've got something that'll seriously up your kitchen game. Meet the ninjafit Compact Blender, the ultimate tool for smoothies, shakes, food prep, and even frozen blending. Let's talk power. This little beast packs a 700-watt motor that blasts through anything you put in the cup. Whether you're blending fruits, veggies, or crushing ice for those resort-like frozen drinks, the ninjafit has got you covered. Ever wondered about those hidden nutrients in your fruits and veggies? The ninjafit extracts those vitamins and nutrients like a pro. You'll be sipping on the healthiest smoothies, getting every bit of goodness from your ingredients. One of my favorite things? It's compact and simple. This blender fits on any countertop and has super easy controls. Just push to blend and boom, you're done. Plus, it's portable. Blend directly in the 16-oz cup, slap on the spout lid, and you're ready to hit the road. Cleanup? A breeze. All parts are BPA-free and dishwasher safe. No more worrying about scrubbing those hard-to-reach spots. And if you're looking for inspiration, it comes with a 50 recipe guide. Smoothies, protein shakes, sauces, frozen drinks, you name it, it's in there. So if you want to make your kitchen life easier, healthier, and just more fun, you need the ninjafit Compact Blender. This might be on sale. For more information and/or make a purchase, copy the link from the description of this video and paste it into the address bar of your browser. Alright, that's all for today. Thanks for watching Forever Medley videos. Please like, share, and subscribe.